BookkeepAI by NeuraIQ. BookkeepAI by NeuraIQ helps people track money without the headache that usually comes with bookkeeping. The app uses artificial intelligence to turn receipts into logged expenses in seconds. You snap a photo of a receipt and the app reads it and files it away for you. If a vendor emails you an invoice, you can forward that email to your personal BookkeepAI address and the expense gets logged automatically. No manual typing needed and no app to install because it runs in any browser on your phone, tablet, or desktop. Freelancers and small business owners use it to keep personal and business spending separate. The AI sorts each expense into tax categories that match CRA rules for Canada and IRS rules for the United States. That means when tax season shows up, you already have reports that are ready to go. You can also log expenses by voice or by chatting with the AI if you're on the move. Tell it what you spent and where, and it adds the entry for you. BookkeepAI works offline too. If you're out and have no signal, you can still record expenses, and the app syncs everything. Once you're back online, the free beta gives you the core features with no credit card required. For people who need more, the paid plans unlock unlimited expenses plus monthly budget caps and alerts for each category. You can pay monthly or save with an annual plan. NeuraIQ built BookkeepAI as part of its suite of AI tools designed to make everyday tasks feel effortless. The focus is simple, smart money tracking for anyone who wants to know where their money went without wrestling with spreadsheets. You sign up with email, pick your region, and start logging. The AI handles the sorting, the math, and the report so you can focus on your work or your life instead of paperwork. People like it because it takes the boring parts of budgeting and automates them. Receipt scanning, voice login, email, forwarding, and automatic tax categorization cover the main tasks that eat up time. And since it lives in the browser, you can check your budget or add an expense from any device without downloading anything. If you're a freelancer tracking mileage and client dinners, or a small shop owner managing inventory receipts, or just someone who wants a clearer picture of personal spending, BookkeepAI aims to keep it simple. The goal is to spend less time doing books and more time doing what you actually care about. Tips on setting it up: start by choosing the right region when you sign up. Pick Canada if you file with CRA, or United States if you file with IRS. That tells the AI which tax categories to use so your expenses sort correctly from day one. Next, connect your personal BookkeepAI email address to your inbox. Create a filter in Gmail or Outlook that forwards receipts and invoices there automatically. Once that's done, every Uber ride, Amazon order, or client dinner receipt gets logged without you lifting a finger. If you mix personal and business spending, set up separate tags right away. Use the chat or voice log and add a quick word like business or personal when you enter an expense. The AI learns those patterns and keeps your budgets clean for tax time. For freelancers who drive a lot, turn on mileage tracking notes when you log gas or park, and add the client name in the note field. Later, you can filter by client and see exactly what each project cost you. Small shop owners should snap photos of inventory receipts the moment they buy. Do it before the receipt fades or gets lost in your bag. The app reads the vendor date and total, then files it under the right category, so your cost of goods stays accurate. If you tend to overspend in certain areas, set category budgets early, go to budget alerts, and pick categories like meals, software, or supplies. BookkeepAI will ping you when you're close to the limit so you can adjust before the month ends. Use voice logging for quick cash expenses. Walking out of a coffee meeting, just tell the app what you spent and it's recorded. No need to keep paper receipts for small purchases. Review your dashboard every Sunday for 2 minutes. Check what the AI categorized and fix anything that looks off. The more you correct it, the smarter it gets about your habits. And since it works offline, make a habit of logging expenses right after they happen. Open the browser tab on your phone, add the expense, then close it. When you're back online, everything syncs, and your books stay current. Enjoy it.